Uganda to receive 10,000 doses of injectable drug for HIV prevention. Dr. Herbert Kadima, the ministry's PrEP coordinator, said the country expects to receive about 10,000 doses from the United States Agency for International Development, USAID. We plan to begin CABLA implementation at 7 PEPFAR USAID-supported facilities in September this year. By February 2025, we will extend to 4 additional sites, thanks to support from the Global Fund, Dr. Kadima said. CABLA, which is administered every 2 months, is designed to prevent HIV transmission through any form of exposure. Dr. Kadima explained that when the drug is injected into the buttock, it is slowly released from the muscle into the body and enters the bloodstream, where it builds up in the body's cells and prevents HIV infection. He added that the slow release of the drug is due to special components in the drug. Speaking at a media briefing on new PrEP technologies and lenacapavir research in Kampala, Dr. Kadima stressed the importance of assessing each person's HIV risk before starting treatment. If you are HIV negative and at risk, you will receive the injection every 2 months as long as the risk persists, he added. Currently, Uganda implements 2 HIV pre-exposure prophylaxis PrEP options, oral PrEP and the vaginal ring. Since the introduction of oral PrEP in 2017, the number of users has increased from 800 to over 700,000. To date, 279 women have used the vaginal ring, which is available at 7 facilities across the country, including those in Barara, Eastern Region and Northern Region. The vaginal ring, which is effective 1 day after insertion, needs to be replaced every 28 days. With support from the Global Fund, the ring will be made available in more facilities. Dr. Kadima also highlighted that the existing PrEP options are currently being offered at 7 public health facilities under the PEPFAR USAID Mosaic-funded project. These facilities include Barara Health Center 4, Bufunda Health Center 2, Gulu Regional Hospital, Kitgum Hospital, Namaquekwa, Bison Health Center 3 and Malawa Health Center 4. However, he noted that expansion to the whole country will depend on the availability of resources. Dr. Flavia Matovu, Director of Research at MUJHU, discussed ongoing research into other injectable PrEP drugs, including lenacapavir and F/TAF. F/TAF is already approved in Western countries for the prevention of HIV in men who have sex with men and transgender women. Lenacapavir has proven to be highly effective, as it remains in the body for 6 months, Dr. Matova said, adding, "We tested lenacapavir for HIV prevention in young women, and it was found to be effective in preventing HIV. Unlike CABLA, which is administered every 2 months, lenacapavir is only required twice a year." Dr. Matovu added that despite the success of lenacapavir, more research is needed to determine how best to deliver it in Uganda. We must consider whether to provide it in facilities, pharmacies, or even people's homes. The research continues even after a product is proven effective, she said. Dr. Diana Atwine, Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Health, said these new prevention strategies are an integral part of the country's national HIV prevention strategy, which aims to reduce HIV prevalence and new infections. New products like injectable lenacapavir and the PrEP ring offer hope. We remain committed to expanding access and ending HIV as a public health threat by 2030. These global advancements are being adopted as part of our national HIV prevention strategy to address the 5.5% prevalence rate and 38,000 new infections reported in 2023, Dr. Atwine affirmed. She called for greater awareness of HIV prevention, especially the importance of behavior change.